Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with bddpatterns.com. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the ribbing on the Dahlia Cardigan Crochet Pattern. This is the ribbing for the front edges and the neckline. So let's get started. With your smaller hook, you're going to want to join your yarn right here in the corner as I've done. And this is with the right side facing up, and it's also the right side of the sweater. Now, when I say right side, I mean the side that it's on when you're wearing it. All right, so we've right into the corner, we've joined our yarn, and we have chained 3. Now we are going to continue with our pattern of double crochet. What we want to do with this particular pattern is we want to make sure that we've got enough of the stitches for the ribbing so that it doesn't buckle. So in order to do that, right here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join the yarn in between, not just the turning chains, but actually where the stitches are at. So right here, as you can see, I have got, remember the first chain, the turning chain starts, it counts as your first stitch. So I've got right here, I have actually 5. Which is perfect. Now, if we're looking at our pattern and the right side is up, which again, that's where we're at, here's what we're going to see. We're going to see our chain 3 space when we were making our rows, and then we're going to see the stitch. So what we're going to need in order to make this border lay flat is we're going to actually, and because this is a double crochet, so it's tall, and now we're working vertically instead of horizontally, so we're going to need to add enough stitches to make our border beautiful. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a double crochet into the chain 3 space, and then a double crochet into where the stitch was placed into from the previous row. So here we go. Let's do it again. We're doing our double crochet into the turning chain from that row, and then we're also doing it right into the stitch. So that will give you enough. Do you see how that's just laying perfectly flat? This is going to give you enough stitches going around so that your ribbing will be beautiful. When you get up to the neckline, this is the seam right here. When you get up to the neckline, don't worry, just work as you normally would a double crochet into each of the stitches. And then when you get to the left front edge, then just continue on with the pattern that we just discussed, where you're double crocheting into where the stitch is and then double crocheting into the turning chain. Okay, we'll see you later for more tips.